Hey guys, hope all is well. So the coaching insight I've got here in front of me, I'm going to take you through today, is titled Organisation 101. So no matter who you are and what you do, being organised is really important to be effective, efficient, productive, and less stressed in your environment and just in general life. So here are some of the main things to focus on to ensure that you're on top of your stuff. Attitude. You need to have the mindset of an organised person before you even begin to start. Think how and why this is going to improve things, then go from there. The night before. Planning what you're going to do and packing accordingly will allow less wasted time the next day. You can wake up and just get on with your to-do list. Having a calendar, whether it's electronic or paper, is a must to ensure you know how, what, who, why and when. Crossing things off once they're done will give you a huge sense of satisfaction. Notebook. You never know when you're going to need to write down new or look up old information, so ensure you have somewhere you can keep notes. Delegate. If you feel overwhelmed with the volume of things that need to be done, then start giving people other things to do to lighten your workload. This can be applied at home, in the office, or even in a performance environment, whether that's business or sport. Don't overload yourself. So buy less and throw away more. It's one of my dad's favourite quotes. If you haven't used something in over a year, give it away or throw it out. Much to my mum's dissatisfaction, I hasten to add. Only buy things you really need rather than things you would like. Storage. Ensure that you have somewhere to put, store and or file your stuff. Don't leave it in piles in different places. Make the effort to keep it tidy all the time, because you never know when you might need to refer to it very quickly. Time is money. Treat time like it's your money. Don't give it away for free or let other people take it from you. Be selfish for the right reasons and only accommodate when you're happy to. Menu. Plan your meals that you're going to eat for the week. Work out where you're going to be and when is the most sensible thing, or what is the most sensible thing to eat to maintain a healthy, balanced diet. Breakfast and dinner are usually easy to do, as most people tend to be at home during these times. Lunch and snacks can be a little bit more tricky if you're out and about, so to make things easier, give yourself more options and take things with you, or at least decide where, when, what you're going to eat for lunch based on the location you're going to be in. Training schedule. Your training and exercise, whatever it is, for your health, wellness goal or sports performance goal, is as successful as how well it's planned and periodised, which is a scientific way of saying organised. Working out why, what, when, how over long macro, medium meso or short micro time periods is key to success and progression. So coinciding this with the best possible nutrition, as mentioned previously, is what is going to equal your maximal success in these areas. Accountability. Holding yourself accountable for what you intend to do in a specific time frame is a great way to avoid distraction and making excuses, which is very easy to do. Simply telling someone else what you intend to do or when you intend to do it by, or setting a clear team deadline will put the right amount of pressure on yourself to ensure that it's followed through. By not doing this, it's easy to put it off or not do it at all. And finally, reward yourself. Make sure that you get the balance right of work and play, on and off, in and out. You will exhaust yourself and become less productive if you just keep going without taking a break. And this might not be apparent instantly, but over longer periods of time, it will become clear this is the case. Trust me, I know from experience, I'm very guilty of that. So once a task is completed, reward yourself with something that relaxes you and resets your mind and your body. So I hope they were useful. Look to include the above from tomorrow and see how much more organised you can become. I'd be really interested to know your thoughts on this. Please drop me a comment below or send me a DM.